Good day guys, welcome to another video from FOREX. This is where we break down the chart into bits of pieces. This is where we simplify how to read the chart like a book, clearly looking at your screen from left to right, with context into what you're doing, and then use the price action to digest the market and then take your trade accordingly. So in this particular video, I will be looking at Cadjpy. This is a live trade. This is the Cadjpy sell that I took earlier today. So I just want to quickly go over what exactly was I looking at getting into this trade. What are the brains behind this trade that I took? I have actually multiple positions running on this particular pair, and then the trades are already into good profit. But before I dive into all of that, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, that's FOREX, so that you always see the first to see the videos whenever they are being pushed out like this. And the essence of doing this is just for us to at least see exactly how we can, learn how to read the chart better, be a better trader, and as such we can always make some money once we become a better version of ourselves. So let's quickly dive into all of these guys. You're welcome. So from this particular pair, Cadjpy, this is 4-hour chart, and according to this 4-hour chart that I'm looking at on my screen here, you can see the sellers shooting from this area very aggressively, shooting all the way down like that, this area. Then getting to this area, you can see the buy coming in like that, then go sideways, try to go up, then what do you see, crash down like that. And ever since then, price couldn't go below the previous area where buyers are shooting from, hence push back up from this area once again. And now we can see that from this spot the market has turned into a range, but this range at the mercy of this guy sitting up here that push price down all the way. And when you're having this kind of range in your hand, one thing I want you to understand is the fact that if you have a strong seller shooting all the way down like this very aggressively, chances are your pullback that are coming in for you to do the sell might not be coming in so deep. If the sellers are so strong, just like in this case now, the sellers push down like this, let me just do that. The sellers push down like that so strong, chances are you might not be having a pullback that will go in so deep. Hence, your pullback might just be somewhere, coming in somewhere, maybe like that, telling you that, hey, seller that pushed down is a very strong seller. Hence, you won't have a 50%, 70% pullback as the case may be. So, putting that into context in this particular market, now the market has been ranging. I actually I have an opportunity for a sell somewhere around here. Took my profit here, but this is the current market now. This is the trade I took today, which is the one I'm particularly interested about at this point in time. So now we are aware that hey, this is the top of the range, this is the bottom of the range, which means this is the resistance right around this area here we have marked out. This is the support down below us here. So now I have that at the back of my hand. Now you can see the market coming all the way to the top of the range right here, all the way to this top. What do you see? Then from this area, sellers try to come, sellers not doing much. Then sellers push down, boom, right here. Okay, but what do you know? Seller didn't come all the way to where the buyers started from, or to the bottom of the range, holding almost in between or in the middle of the range. Then buyers didn't do much, sellers didn't do much. buyer didn't do much. Now it's forming another range right around the top of the bigger range that we are having here. Now it's creating what we call there's something called money spot. It's creating a money spot. So now when the buyers come in right here, very aggressive, but what do you see? You couldn't go. Sellers coming instantly. Don't forget that this is the top of the range, though. Sellers shoot down, and look at the buyer here. He didn't do much. I was like, okay. Then what will the sellers do? Then you see the sellers around this area. You can see the range like that, getting probed out of the range right there. All these are a probe. All of these are a probe. Let me clear this up, guys. All of these are probe out of the range. So when it shoots up here, and then the sellers come in almost instantly, and then close the market. This 4-hour candle close outside of this range. That was what got me interested. Like, okay, let me see. So I have to step down at this point in time to the 1 hour time frame to see the fine details of this. When the sellers shoot down like that out of the range, and the buyers try to go, look at it, go up very strongly, but come down almost instantly. This was where I took my first position. And when I see that hey, the buyer seems not to be doing anything around this range where they have been fixing it first time, second time, I see that they can't see the last time they push here, look at it, come down almost instantly. Kept trying to show some struggles here. That was why I was able to add my positions, because I can see that hey, the buyer's last attempt has failed. So I have my stop loss right around this, my stop loss right around this area, giving me a take profit of down to this area. So I have 3 positions currently running on this particular pair. Now it's in a good profit, but hey, market is kind of retracing right now. I have not gotten to my take profit yet, but it's already going. So I will be holding this trade probably to maybe till next week, because if you check across pair, majority of the cards, if you're using correlation now, you can see that they are showing some signs of weakness. So hey, I will be holding, so I will be closing my first position right around this area, and I will be holding up for probably a breakout. If it will break out of this range, the market break out of this entire range and close below, then that means we will be seeing a kind of a sell that will rally all the way down. So that's exactly how you want to be looking at the chart, guys, using pure price action. Put context into it, read it like a book, and then take your trade without any indicator. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel like I said earlier, and please help the channel grow. If you have questions, if you have a topic you want us to talk about, please don't be shy. Feel free to share, then we will all look at it together, and then we can both grow and become a better trader. So thank you, guys. Yes.